Okay, listen up. I'm going to tell you something real. Every single morning I do this one thing. It's a routine. It takes me less than 10 minutes, and it makes me over $150 almost every day. That's not a joke. It's a real number that hits my account. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. No secrets, no fluff. I want you to be able to copy this. All you need is a laptop, or even just your phone, and one free AI tool. ChatGPT, the free version. It's simple, it's powerful, it's the engine behind this hustle. This isn't complicated, it's not about building a huge business overnight, it's about one small, smart thing, done consistently. I wake up, I grab my coffee, I sit down, I follow a few simple steps. The AI helps me create a tiny digital product, small enough to make in minutes, useful enough for someone to buy. Let's talk tools. I use ChatGPT, free. It's simple, fast, and powerful. Costs zero. Sign up on the site. Make an account. Done. You type a prompt. It answers, like a smart assistant. For this routine, it's perfect. Quick, reliable text. It can write, brainstorm, summarize, and create lists. Free means no risk. Test ideas daily without paying. And yes, commercial use is allowed. That matters. Homework. Create a free account and bookmark the page. Open it every morning. Just start. This is maybe the most important step, and it only takes 2 minutes. You need to pick a small product idea. And when I say small, I mean tiny. We are not writing an ebook. We are not creating a video course. We are making something that can be created and consumed in minutes. The goal is a quick win for your customer. They have a small problem, and you are selling them a small, fast solution. Keep it simple, keep it fast, keep it useful. A short list of social media post ideas for a specific industry, real estate agents, coffee shops, a one-page PDF with 5 quick tips for writing better emails, a simple resume template, a short list of interview questions, a collection of 10 AI prompts for artists. See the pattern? Each is specific, easy to create with AI, and solves a real, immediate problem for someone. The key here is to focus on a small niche. Don't create something for everyone. That's a recipe for failure. Instead, think about a specific person. Who are you helping? A freelance writer? A student? A busy parent? I spend 1 minute brainstorming a few options and then 1 minute choosing the best one for that day. Don't get stuck here. Just pick one and go. Let's use a concrete example. Today I'm going to choose this idea. A list of 5 icebreaker questions for team meetings on Zoom. It's perfect. It's for managers or team leads who are tired of awkward silence at the start of calls. It's a tiny problem, but it's a real one. And it's something I can create with AI in just a few minutes. I've chosen my idea. The 2 minutes are up. Now the fun part, 3 minutes with ChatGPT. I open a new chat and give one clear prompt. Write 5 fun professional icebreaker questions for virtual team meetings. Keep answers short. I hit enter. In seconds, the list appears. I scan fast. Does it match my request? Useful? Specific? If one misses, I add a follow-up. Replace question 3 with a travel one. It updates instantly. Happy with it? I copy the text. That's the core of my product. Done in minutes. AI handled the brainstorming and writing. I just guided it. You have your raw text. Now package it so it looks like a real product. This should take 2 minutes. People buy clean, professional, easy to understand. You don't need to be a designer. We'll use a free tool. My go-to is Canva. The free version has everything you need. Google Docs works too. Open Canva. New design. US letter or A4. Paste the ChatGPT text. Choose a clean font. Arial, Helvetica, or Lotto. Make the title big and bold. 5 fun icebreakers for your next Zoom meeting. List the 5 questions with space. Readability is the goal. Lots of white space. Add a single simple icon or a colored line at the top. That's it. No fiddling or hunting the perfect photo. Clean and quick. Save and export as PDF. It looks professional and can't be easily edited. Name it. Zoom Icebreakers Product.pdf. And just like that, step 3 is complete. Final step, 2 minutes. You have your PDF. Put it somewhere people can buy it. Gumroad or Ko-fi. Both have free plans and make uploading easy. They handle payments and delivery. I log into Gumroad, click New Product, choose Digital Product, and upload the PDF. Product name, 5 fun icebreakers for your next Zoom meeting. I set a price between $5 and $15. Let's choose 7. Low enough to be an impulse buy. Short description. Tired of awkward silence? Here are 5 fun professional icebreakers. Ready to use PDF, instant download. I create a simple cover, hit publish, and copy the link. Then I write a short post on LinkedIn or Twitter. Need to break the ice on your next team call? I made a quick list of 5 fun questions. Grab it here for a few bucks. Paste the link. That's it. The routine is done. So, you've done the work. The 10-minute routine is finished. What happens next? When someone clicks your link, they land on your product page. They see the title, the description, and the price. If it's worth $7, they click, "I want this." Enter payment, and the platform processes it securely. The moment a sale is made, 2 things happen. The customer gets an email with the download link, automated, and you get a "You made a sale" notification. Best feeling. At first, maybe 1 or 2 sales, $14. The key is, you do this every morning. Next day, another product. Over time, you have many little assets working 24/7. That's how you reach 150 plus a day. Cumulative effect. Let's walk it with a clock. 7. Alarm. Coffee. 7.16. Pick an idea in 2 minutes. 7 to 18. Prompt ChatGPT. Read. Light edit. Copy. 7:21. Canva paste. Title. Space. Export PDF. 7:23. Gumroad upload. Name. $15 today. Tiny description. Cover. Publish. Copy link. 7:25. LinkedIn post. Paste link. Post. 7:26. Done. Some days it's 8 minutes. Some days it's 12. Either way, a new asset is out there ready to make sales. This isn't a fantasy. It's a practical, repeatable process. Leverage a powerful free tool to create value fast. It compounds. Work this morning can pay for months, even years. It's the smartest, most efficient side hustle I've found. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about getting smarter with your time. Would you try this tomorrow morning? Comment "morning" below and subscribe for more simple daily AI routines.